dog on the street, you put a bicycle on the street. You see the other video of another self-driven cars is going up a ramp. Some guys decided to take a shortcut with his bicycle. The car didn't stop for him. It just zipped, it went through. But if it was a human being at the wheel, he would stop for that. The thing with the self-driven cars, I think maybe they follow the rules to the T. They don't really, you're not going to follow, like you're not supposed to be there. Really, you're not supposed, it's illegal to call off-ramp on a bicycle, isn't it? So same with this, where is that? Yeah, it's illegal to do like a crazy garbage truck U-turn on a 401 in a high-speed highway. So I think the problem with artificial intelligence is they follow the rules too carefully. But human beings, we know they're flexible. Like human beings don't follow the rules all the time, every time. That is one thing about the test project. Okay, tests. Where is tests? The test project. Where we take the autonomous driven cars and we put them to the works, give them like various test conditions of all kind of road carriers. You see all the ways they made mistakes, and they put them to all those works so that the self-driving machine improves. That's only, I would say, part one. Okay, the other part is we need like an enterprise. Right? An enterprise solution to autonomous vehicles. This is like alien technology, so alien. Yeah, it's beyond your IQ. No, it's not really beyond your IQ. You really haven't thought like me. For me, most of my life I'm spent in the enterprise. I'm an enterprise kind of person. So I don't think like the little things. I can only say big things. Are also big things. So the enterprise solution is like when you look at the world, when you look at the whole highway, all these things driving, there's things driving here, driving here, driving here, driving here, driving here, driving in this way, one is going this way, and this one is going this way. No? So you're making this one only limited to what's going on here and this. So when you talk at the enterprise level, the enterprise level is where I am up front, like the good fan eagle in the sky, is able to control all the actions of all these vehicles. You understand? So it'll be like an enterprise solution. So I have like a swarm rules. I was watching a program about swarm. The swarm rule is you stay the hell away from each other, my friend. So when you take like a enterprise solution to it, that means there's a main mothership in the sky who is controlling all these things. That's why I'm calling it alien technology. Like you seen in the book, in the movie, the Independence Day, didn't you? You have like this little bitty alien thing laughing and saying, come on in, come on in. Oh, it controls